Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the value type for charts you insert into your photos and images on Adobe Express Photos, like for instance from numerals to percentage here in your chart and vice versa. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your photo editing project on Adobe Express Photos and then insert a new chart. So let me remove that one and show you how it's done. Click into add content here, select charts and grids. Navigate to the charts type and go with one of these. I will go again with a pie chart from this list. So you will see the numbers you enter here as a value next to the given item represented. Visually, of course, sorry. And then what you want to do is customize these items. However, guys, if you'd like to switch from numbers to percentage, and have these parts of the pie chart be represented in percentage, you will need to access the chart type settings here in the top left, and here the value type switch from numbers to percentage. And as you can see now, this part here is represented by 30%, 40%, and so on and so forth. And accordingly, guys, if you change the value of these items, let's say that part of the pie doesn't have 200, but let's say 140, press enter, and then the percentage as well as the visual representation will be changed accordingly. That's how it works, guys. Let me remove that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.